Oh, God.
Well, guys, I was not planning on vlogging today, but I just dumped my drone into the drink. It's up at Bear Creek Fish Weir. The creek is plugged with salmon right now, and I was trying to get that money shot like I always do, and the drone took a swim. I have no idea if like the footage that was on the card is salvageable. Let's make some room here on my messy workbench. Oh, there's the patient. Definitely wet. Well, the first step is going to be trying to get some of the water out of the Mavic. Okay, I'm gonna pull the SD card out. Whoa, hey. The battery also needs to be dried out.
Diana said if I end up needing the insurance, it's either $0 or $100 deductible. And
Okay.
I just call her and let her know. She'll submit the claim and they'll cut us a check.
All right, that's worst case scenario.
Mm-hmm.
I still have hope.
I don't.
What? The patient is not doing that bad.
The patient drowned.
I am working on CPR here, hun. You remember how I fixed that generator?
And then it broke a few minutes later.
Hey, just for the record, this here is what a little cute tattletale looks like. As soon as the drone took a swim, little Miss Nikki here runs about 100 yards over to Rebecca. And what did you proceed to say, Nick?
I told her that you jumped into the water to get your drone.
And what is that when you do something like that?
No.
It's called being a tattletale. We figured it'd be a good idea to pop off some of these covers that were right here in our face to help dry things out. You know, I think I'm just gonna gently vacuum this out. I'd like it to just kind of sit in a few various positions to let any other standing water dry or run out, and to help encourage things, got a little 12-volt fan. Well, time will tell from this point. I will keep you updated, but hopefully here's a montage of some of the footage I caught today. Alright guys, I'm considering ourselves pretty lucky that we were able to recover that footage. The last clip, when the Mavic took a fall into the water, it did not turn out. So if you're a guru at that kind of stuff and you want me to send you the clip to see if you can recover anything from it, I'm more than happy to send it your way, because that'd be pretty cool to get the footage of when it takes a swim. There's one thing I have noticed on the batteries, and keep in mind these are, for lack of a better word, they're smart batteries. Now when you push the battery once, that's fully charged. That's what it should look like. This is the one that took a drink. It's faulting out. Since these are smart batteries and the drone did not get shut down properly, there is, I'm going to call it a 50-50 chance that either the battery's toast or I need to plug it in the drone and just shut it down properly. And speaking of the drone, I know there's a filter on the camera right now, but there was no, or actually never, any condensation or moisture inside the lens of the camera. I have another tip for you. I label all of my batteries. So Slider did not take a swim, but Iceman did. Well, here goes nothing to see. What happens with the battery that took a swim? Okay, got a flashing light. All right, it is not detecting the device. All right, Iceman, time for Slider to come in. Boom, normal. It's a charged battery, so we have 4 lights. Oh, props did a little bit of a... Oh, those are all favorable signs of life, guys. Okay, oh. Ready to go on the controller, but it says the device isn't there. Let's, just for the heck of it, unplug the phone portion, and plug that in. See if we can get the device to, start flight? Guys, okay, we go, ignore, start flight. Oh, camera works, hello.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Wow, GPS is functioning. We're picking up 9 satellites, guys. Well, I guess there's nothing left to do but take a flight. Well, here we go. Ho, 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 ho. All right, guys, that's pretty damn impressive. The Mavic Pro can take a swim and recover to fly another day. I don't think anybody will argue that this drone is now damaged goods, and probably not the best thing to rely on for YouTube video production. So I'm pretty confident we're going to get another one, and this will become a backup. But if you enjoyed this video, we are about to drive around the world in a 4x4 adventure truck and just do all kinds of mind-blowing stuff and fly our drone the entire way, at least in the countries where it's allowed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, but now it's time to take a flight.